Good morning, everyone. Roll those credits. It is like 50 degrees out this morning in Palm Bay, Florida, so it's like, yeah, it's cold. So 50 degrees when you're doing about like 50, 60 miles an hour, it's a little bit chilly. So yeah, we're gonna take a quick run over to Lowe's, get some paint stripper for the floor. Cause that grinder, man, got some hard work. Not hard work, but taking a little time. Figure out, use a paint stripper on it, and just scrape the shit up. So yeah, do you hear it? Do you hear it? No more squeak. We're gonna do a separate video on that later on today. Yeah, common sense. I was like, Jesus, really, people? So yeah, other use for chain wax. Think of that. How many different uses for chain wax are there? I have one. I have one for you. Painting that house. So yeah, it's quite chilly out this morning, but it's a fun ride. And I should have wore some different gloves. These are not working. My fingers are cold. I was gonna ride all the way up to Vieira. I'm gonna drive up there, or maybe a little bit later in the morning. Taking a little hint from my buddy down there in Brazil, I'm gonna start riding a little slower today than this like Ducati New York stuff. It's like it's full throttle all the way, but yeah, just sit back and relax for a little bit. It's Sunday, we rolled the clocks back, so if you're looking at what time it is, it's actually like an hour before that. So sit back, enjoy the ride. And it's windy. Old Glory's out there standing straight up. Shorts on today? Holy moly, you're brave. You know, you're not supposed to be on the phone today, people. Really? Jackwagon. Jackwagon, right there. That's a jackwagon. Or an ass wagon. Better yet, it's an ass wagon. You know, the phone's on speaker. Why do you have to hold it up to your ugly face? I'm just saying. Yeah, thank God I'm not riding all the way up there to, what do you call it, Vieira. The crap. Cold. Coffee! But a quick ride is always good for the soul. I always say, no matter what the temperature or the weather conditions. That is a bad place. Ooh, my hands be cold today. it's simple. Yeah, here we go. Freaking cold out, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the house. Have a cup of coffee, paint strip it down. House, some toast, a little breakfast. Oh, it's gonna make us way. Really? Good day for a morning jog. Buy one, get one margaritas. That used to be a really good Indian restaurant. I'm bummed. I'm going to travel farther. It's warmed up a little bit, not much. No, I'm actually riding with the wind, not into the wind. So yeah, it hasn't warmed up any. So yeah, so today I'll go ahead and film how we took care of the squeakiness. Took care of that. And we'll call that a wrap, people, for right now. So we'll talk to you here in a little bit. Keep riding. Roll the credits. What's that? Been around since 1901. Yeah. Oh yeah.